Welcome back, YouTubers. We are busy with grade 11. We are in the product of completing of a square from the quadratic equation. We are going to get a quadratic formula. So we are going to use the quadratic formula to solve the problems which has got no solutions, cannot be factorized. We are going to use the formula where we use x is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now we are going to use this formula to solve the quadratic equation. We are going to use, this is the quadratic formula. And then we have a squared, ax squared plus bx plus c. This is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic formula. The quadratic equation yields, give rise to quadratic formula. Now we are going to use this quadratic formula because we have completed a square to get this. So this guy helps us where we don't have a way out. You will see what I mean in a short space of time. Right, I'm going to check this thing out. Right? Let's say you are given a problem like this. They say solve for x. Example 1. Solve for x. Right? They give you something like x squared minus 7x is equals to 9. When you're solving for x by using the quadratic formula, they give you this deliberately. They want to see if you can see that your c is on the other side of the equation. Bring your c on the left hand side. This is going to be x squared minus 7x minus 9 is equals to 0. Now we are going to consider this, not this. So we have x is equals to minus b. Where is your b? Your b is minus 7. Rather, let me take you step by step. Grade 11. A is equals to 1. B is equals to minus 7. C is equals to minus 9. I think you know this by now already. Then x is equals to minus b. Your b is minus 7. Minus into minus 7. Most of the learners, they take this negative, they do not consider this negative of b. Right? It's minus b plus minus a square root of b squared. Your b squared is minus 7. B squared minus 4. Your a is 1. C is minus 9. Right. All over 2 times 1 all over 2a. This is your 2a. This is equals to negative times negative is positive 7 plus minus a square root of minus 7 squared. 7 squared is the same as 49. It's 49. A negative times negative is positive. 4 times 9 is 9, 18, 27, 36. It's plus 36 all over 2, which is 7 plus minus a square root of, now we add this, 49 plus 36, 9 plus 6 is 15, 10, 1, 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1, 8. Square root of 85 over 2. Then x has got 2 fragments. The first fragment is 7 plus a square root of 85 divided by 2, or x is equals to 7 minus the square root of 85 all over 2. So we've got 2 parts of the equations, or of the x. So if you can punch your calculator, you can see that the square root of 85, right? The question, if it comes, they tell you everything. Here we are going to be we are told that leave your answer in a sad form. That means you don't do anything, you leave it like this. But in the exam room or in the test, you are going to be told that leave your answer in 2 decimal places or 1 decimal places or 3 decimal places. It will depend on the examiner what he requires you to do. Right, this is the end. I think we're going to take the other example so that you see how to apply your quadratic formula. This is the final answer. Let's see if we can do the next one. Right, example 2. Right, example 2 says two x minus 1 x plus 3 is equals to 15. They deliberately gave you something that you need to convert to get a proper quadratic equation. So here you still remember grade 10, when you have to distribute, you multiply these 2 brackets, you have to get 2x squared plus this times this is 2x squared, this times that, it's 6x, this times this is minus x, this times this is minus 3. This one comes this side, it's minus 15 is equals to 0. This is the skills that you have to have. I believe you have already, because from grade 10 we did this. Now 2x squared, you add the x values. 6 minus 1 is 5. Minus 3 and minus 15, you add. Minus 18 is equals to 0. Then you know that your A is 2, your B is 5, your C is minus 18. Right? Then you solve your x. X is equals to minus b. Where is b? Here is b. It's minus b plus minus the root of b squared. 5 squared minus 4a. Your a is 2 in this case. C is minus 18. All over 2a. Right? And then your a here is 2. Then this is 2. Now you have your minus 5 plus minus. Now you grab your calculator. Punch 5 squared, you're going to get 25. A negative times negative is positive. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by 18. 8 times 18 over 2 times 2 is 4. Right? If you get your calculator, it's minus 5 plus minus 25 plus 144 divided by 4, which is minus 5 plus minus the square root of 25. 144 plus 25 is 169. 169 divide that by 4. Then x is equals to minus 5 plus the square root of 169 divided by 4, or x is equals to minus 5 the square root of 169 minus 5. I forgot to subtract here. Minus 5 minus the square root of 169 all divided by 4. This is, they say, leave your answer in a sad form. This is a sad, that is a sad. Now, grade 11, I think you can use the same method. Go and practice yourself. You'll see that it is simple, but you must know that what is the value of A, what is the value of B, what is the value of C in a given equation. I think we can leave it at that for now. Just want to see if there is, yes, sometimes let's grab the last one, the third example. Sometimes they trick you the way they ask you questions, so I want to reveal all those tricks that you can find. This is the third example that we are going for. Now they can trick you like this sometimes. (3x squared plus 2 is equals to 9x. Can you see your A? The value of A here is 3. What is the value of B? It's minus 9. What is the value of C? It's positive 2. It's a matter of arranging this equation. 3x squared minus 9x plus 2 is equals to 0, where A is equals to 3, B is equals to minus 9, C is equals to 2. Right, X is equals to minus B. Where is your B? It's minus 9. Minus 9 plus minus a square root of B squared, it's minus 9 squared, minus 4AC, your A is 3, your C is 2. All over 2 times 3, which is 2A. Minus times minus is positive 9, plus minus square root of minus 9 squared. 9 squared is 81, minus 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24, minus 24 all over 6, which is equals to 9 plus minus a square root of 81 minus 24 is 57. All over 6. Now from here we are going to come up with 2 possibilities. It's 9x is equals to 9 plus a root of 57 divided by 6, or x is equals to 9 minus a root of 57 all over 6. Now this is the final step. I think we are done with substituting, with solving the equations where you have to use your quadratic formula. Mostly you use this quadratic formula where you have no factors in your equation. Right, the next part we are going to go to do is you have to equations with fractions. We need to know how do we deal with equations with fractions, and then how do we go about, because most of you forgot to understand to follow the order of BODMAS. This is where we are going to see how BODMAS apply. It will come into play in a very short space of time. Thank you very much. Uncle Pythagoras is resigning. He's going to take a break. Coming back for you, grade 9, grade 11, we are going to work. Thank you very much. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Love you all.